Get ready for the wildlife.
Hello my loves! Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hello girl and welcome to my channel. My name is Anne and I am here to help you become the best version of yourself. So if you are passionate with makeup, please consider subscribing to my channel because I upload beauty videos 3 times a week. As you guys know, this is going to be our first Bedazzled Wednesday video featuring the Beauty Creations Tease Me palette. And today, I decided to create this very simple makeup look that you can wear on a daily basis. So if you guys wanted to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is to apply the shade Nude on my crease using the SUKI Luxe Crease Brush. As you can see, I'm not putting a lot of eyeshadow right on the bat because these eyeshadows are a little bit hard to blend once you've applied too much product. So our technique here is to build up their pigmentation for us to blend it easier. But if it still has a harsh line, the solution to that is to apply a lighter shade to blend it out, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm using the shade Orgasm in the SUKI Luxe Soft Definer brush to further blend out the nude shade. To deepen the outer V of my eyes, I'm going to apply Peaches using the SUKI Luxe Petite Crease brush. Again, we are going to build up its pigmentation, and when your brush doesn't have a lot of product anymore, blend it on your crease to deepen it as well. And of course, don't forget to blend it out to remove the harsh line. Next, I am going to apply Classy on my lids using my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. This will help in making our lids look bigger since I have hooded eyes. Just press the eyeshadow on your eyes so that it won't have a fallout, or at least minimize it since this eyeshadow are a little bit powdery. Just a little bit of trick if you also have hooded eyes. Look straight in the mirror when you are applying your lid color so that you will be able to see the areas where you wanted the eyeshadow. Since our natural eyelids are smaller, sometimes when we open our eyes, that eyeshadow will not show up anymore. And that's the trick that you will do to make your eyelids look more bigger. Then go back to the shade Peaches to blend the colors together, and don't forget to blend out the harsh lines. To define the lower lash line, I am applying Peaches using the SUKI Detail Shader brush. Then apply Classy to brighten up the inner corner of your eyes. And lastly, blend or smoke it out with the shade Nude, and here I am using the SUKI Luxe pencil brush to do that. To define my eyes more, I decided to apply a liquid liner on my upper lash line. But make sure that you're not making a very thick line if you have hooded eyes, because that will make your eyelids look smaller again. You can skip this step and just apply your mascara if you have a smaller eyelids. To make my eyes look bigger and more doll-like, I am going to use this Pinkies Collection Silky Long Liner in the shade White, but you can also use a nude eyeliner on your lower waterline. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Just a tip, if you wanted to add volume on your lashes, wiggle your mascara wand back and forth at the base or roots of your lashes, and if you wanted to add length, you swipe it on the tips of your lashes. And on my lips, I applied the Pinkies Collection Silky Long Liner in the shade Sweet Pink as a base, and applied the MAC lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy on top. This is the technique that I do to make my lipstick last longer. And lastly, if you wanted to achieve that Jenner Sisters juicy and pouty lips, apply a lip gloss on the center of your lips. So that is it for our Bedazzled Wednesday for this week, guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you will enjoy recreating this look, because as you guys saw on the tutorial, this is going to be very easy and simple to do. Mga 30 minutes, tapos na kayo sa makeup look, and you will look fresh, awake, and more glamorous even without spending a lot of time doing your makeup, kasi sobrang dali lang gawin ang eye look na to. So I hope that you guys enjoyed our very first Bedazzled Wednesday. Next week, I will be creating a very sexy and sultry eye look using the Beauty Creations palette. So if you wanted to see that as well, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and of course hit that notification bell so that you will be updated every single time that I upload my new videos. And please don't forget to share your looks or your makeup looks on my social media account and tag me with the hashtag Bedazzled Wednesday so that I will be able to see how it looked on you. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You guys know that I love you so much. Don't forget what I always say to you guys. Don't let your dreams just be dreams. Make your dreams possible, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys! So in today's video, guys, I will be sharing with you my honest opinion about the Beauty Creations Tease palette, and I'm also going to show you guys swatches of these eyeshadows. So if you guys wanted to know if this eyeshadow palette is worth your money, then just keep on watching.